A number of changes are planned in the tax legislation of Azerbaijan in 2019. They are reflected in the budget package for the next year, which is already being discussed in various parliamentary committees. According to the economic expert Vugar Bayramov, one of the most significant changes concerns the system of collecting income tax.
Aylıq gəlir 8.000 manatadək olan vətəndaşlar.
For a period of 7 years, it's planned to provide 100% income tax benefits from the employee's wages. This will apply to monthly salaries of up to 8,000 manat. If income exceeds this amount, the amount of exemption from income tax will be 44%. These benefits will affect employees in the private sector, but not involved in the oil and gas sector.
Qeyri-neft və eləcə də qeyri-dövlət sektorunda çalışanlara aid olacaq.
Currently, income tax is levied at a rate of 14% on income up to 2,500 manat per month. According to the economic expert, the new changes will contribute to the development of the non-oil sector. Starting next year, it's also planned to change the deductions for social insurance and the use of a differential rate.
Nəzərə alsaq ki, əvvəlki dövrlərdə 14% gəlir.
If we take into account that earlier the employee paid 3% or 14% of the income tax on social benefits, then after the adoption of the changes, only 10% will be deducted for social insurance. These changes will increase employee wages. The amount of tax paid by the employee will decrease, and social fees will increase.
Sosial olduğuna görə sosial yığımlarına təsir göstərəcək.
For example, if an employee's salary exceeds 200 manat, he will pay 6 manat plus 10% of the amount exceeding 200 manat for social insurance. In this case, the employer will pay 44 manat plus 15% of the amount exceeding 200 manat. Another innovation is associated with an increase in the non-taxable amount from 2019 for people employed in all sectors, from 175 manat to 200 manat. In addition, next year it's planned to change the process of concluding an employment contract.
Davamlı olaraq əmək maaş alan
citizens working for a long time in one enterprise and continuously receiving wages from one enterprise will no longer be able to carry out their activities under an employment contract for the provision of a service. They will have to enter into an employment contract. This will increase the number of concluded electronic labor contracts.
Sayında artımlar olacaq.
In addition, in order to support small businesses, it's planned to reduce the size of the simplified tax from 4% to 2%. According to the economic expert, the reduction and optimization of tax payments will contribute to an increase in wages of Azerbaijani citizens and will have a positive impact on the whole on the development of the country's economy.